Hi and welcome back to another video. So today is day 2 of the Tunes in the Dunes build, so let's see. And they have made quite a lot of progress, so they've got up 2 of the big marquees now on day 2, and at the very far end, I don't know if you can see from here, they've got the main stage, the outside of the main stage up. They've got the ticket office up, and if I pan around you can see that they've got all of the poles up that they put the lights on, so we can find our way out in the dark at night. So they've made quite a bit of progress, I think, for day 2. So that's 2 of the marquees are up and the back of the main stage. But what I'll do is I'll walk down to the other side and then I'll do a bit of a video from there. So I'm now at the end by the beach by the Perrin Sand steps where the main stage, and you can see now how much progress has been made with the stage. Obviously it has the roof's on, but it has to be raised up, and then you can see all of the other fencing is all ready to go up. So I think they've made pretty good progress really for day 2, so I'll update you tomorrow on day 3. Hi, welcome back to day 3 of the Tunes in the Dunes build. I'm up here, and I did the video from up here because I thought you could see the impact that the tide actually has. So today there's still 40 minutes until high tide, so it's obviously going to wash right in to where the area of Tunes in the Dunes is going to be. But you can see they've now got the stage, is actually the main stage up properly, and the roof has been lifted up, and there's a couple more marquees have been put up as well. So I'm going to walk down there, but I just wanted to show you what the tide was like, and by the time I get down there probably the tide will be too far up for me to actually go in and see what's going on. So I have to make it down there and get over this bridge, and the tide is still raging in at the moment, so I probably might not actually get onto the beach, but I'll see what I can do. But yeah, day 3, they've made fairly good progress. A few more marquees are up and the main stage is complete. As you can see, I made it down onto the beach okay. Now the silent disco marquee is up. Some other marquees that have been put up, and if you see in the background you can see where the main stage is up. I will try and walk around, but I think the tide is going to stop me being able to do that. But I'll try and walk around so you can get a better idea of how it is at the end of day 3. So I'm not going to be able to walk around because the tide is coming in too tight, so I'm not going to risk that. But if you can see here, all of the stuff that's going on, you can see down here, the main stage is there. So So that's the end of day 3, so I'll keep you posted and see what it's finished like tomorrow, if the tide doesn't wash it away tonight. Hi, welcome back to day 4 of Tunes in the Dunes setup. So a few more bits have happened. They've got the thing for the stage there, they're just about to put up. They've got some more marquees up. They've got a box office sign and a tune sign, and then what I'll do is I'll walk along here a bit and then I'll video it from the other side so you can see exactly what has gone on inside today. So let's have a look. So I think what we've got is we've got some more marquees going up there. CCTV unit now in place. You can record any trouble at all. We've got some more staging. There's a stage that goes on here, and then let's have a look and see what's down the end. I'll wait till I get down the end and then I'll do you a video from down that end. So there's some cases there of stuff for the stage, some foodie bits there. As you can see, they're still working now, bringing sand in, would you believe? You think there'd be enough sand in there, but no, we've got to bring more sand in. And there's the stage being set up here, another stage, and then across there now you can see they're starting to get the food tents up. So that one there is usually the beer tent. That one over there is the silent disco tent. And then when we look back up here, they're starting to get the food tents up. So that's quite nice. Some Thai food there, and some bits and bobs. And then down to the main stage, which they are still working on at the moment as we speak. So that's the end of day 4. So tomorrow is Thursday. It's the last day before it opens midday on Friday lunchtime. So we'll see how it goes. What we've got tomorrow evening, I'll give you an update on that before Friday lunchtime when I'm going to go in. So just to give you some idea of how high the tide has come up yesterday, you can see here all of the seaweed, and then it's actually gone right up into there, the sea has. And if you bear in mind the stage is just there, hopefully it'll all be okay. The actual tide times show that the tide is going to be lower, so it should be getting lower each day now, so we shouldn't have the problem. So as you can see here, they're just attaching the lights to the top of the poles, the cherry picker. So they've got to go all the way down the beach, and then they've got to come back up, and then the poles go all the way along until they get to the side. So in the dark everybody can see exactly where they're going.
I've only got one night and I want to live it. You'll never walk in my body, sailing down the river. Blue stars and signs, and I've made up my mind.
Hi, so welcome back to another video. Today is less than 24 hours after the Tunes in the Dune ended, so it's 8 PM on the Monday night. I'm actually still feeling a bit rough because 3 days is a lot for someone of my age, but anyway, I thought I'd show you what it looks like from up the top. So here we are at the top looking down, and you can see the signs are still up. And there's some bits and bobs, but the main stage has disappeared, and all of the other bits like the main stage and all the food establishments, everything has gone, and there's just a few bits and bobs. I will walk down and do a little video from down there in a minute. Sorry about my bad videoing. Like I say, I am not feeling that great today, so I'll walk down now and give you an idea of what it's actually like down there, show you what's left over less than 24 hours after James Bay is finished. So I'm now down at the beach. I'll turn the camera around so you can see exactly what it looks like down here now. So this is less than 24 hours ago, less than